Hi, I'm Zara. Today I'm going to show you how my door alarm works. I have 3 different ways. 1, I'm going to do it normal. 2, I'm going to do it with my simple machine. And 3, I'm going to do it the Rube Goldberg way. I live in the attic, and I don't have the same door as a lot of people do in like a normal room, so it slides. And so for my first one, well, this is a parallel circuit. I have a battery, a light bulb, and a buzzer, and a switch, and it goes on and off like this. And I'll close my door, and when I open it, it lights up and the buzzer makes noise. Okay, so that's my first way. And my second way is, I am going to make a small knot in this cord. Okay. I'm going to make the small knot. Okay, and I am going to put the small knot around the door thing, the switch, and I am going to go upstairs. Well, no, my simple machine is it's a pulley, and I'm going to go up into my room and pull the switch, which will make the buzzer go on. Okay, and now my third reason is, my third way to do it is the Rube Goldberg way. And I'm going to tie another knot with these onto the cup. And we're going to do it like we did on the first one. We're going to put it around we're going to put the other cord around the switch. And we are going to pull it. And this water bottle is going to fall on it, and will make the cup fall down on it, and it will cause the buzzer to make noise. Okay, so put it on here. I put the water bottle on here. And I am about to go up in my room and pull the switch. I think this is going to stay. Not, but okay. That's how my door alarm works. Thanks for watching. Bye.